In this video, I'll show you how to fix your Roblox sound or audio not working. If you found this guide useful, then please consider subscribing, and once you've done that, then please consider leaving a like, and let's get right into this guide. The first thing I recommend you try is by closing off Roblox and either launching the same game again, or by checking another game to go and see if it's a problem with the game, or just Roblox may be glitching. So go and close it just like so, and then you head back to Roblox and try a different game, or perhaps the same game as I already said, and go and see if it will then be working. The next thing you need to check is your Roblox sound settings. So firstly, go and pause Roblox by pressing on the escape button, or tap on the Roblox icon in the top left. And then what you need to do is go and tap on settings. And what you'll need to do is go and locate volume. And as you can see, mine is completely muted, which is why it may not be working. So all you want to do is go and increase it like so, and then go and see if you can go and hear it. Then what you need to do is go and tap on settings like so, and scroll down and make sure that your volume is increased. So your volume may be all the way turned down, so make sure you go and increase it. And then also, depending on what Roblox game you play, sometimes you won't have this option, sometimes you do. You may have the option to go and change your output device. If you have the option to change it, then make sure it's set correctly. However, not every game is going to have this. This next fix is going to apply if you use Windows as your operating system. So what you need to do is go to the bottom right and go and find your sound icon. Of course, just make sure you have actually turned the volume up like so. And then what you need to do is go and right click on it like this, and then go and tap on open. And what you'll need to do is scroll down to apps and just make sure that Roblox is scrolled all the way up to 100 like so. And then you can go and close off it. And now what you need to do is go and check if audio is working in other applications. For example, maybe on YouTube, on Spotify, and any other application you've got. Go and see if you can go and hear sound from it. To go and find out if there's a problem with Roblox itself or your whole computer is having sound problems. If your whole computer is having sound problems, then what you need to do is just go and right click on your sound icon again and go and tap on sound settings and wait for it to load. And what you need to do is just make sure you've got the right location where you want your sound to be played. In this case, I want it on my Realtek speakers, so make sure you've got your right location selected. And the next thing you should do is go and run a sound troubleshooter. To do that, come to the bottom and tap on search and type in troubleshoot settings like this, and wait for it to load, and then tap on other troubleshooters. And you need to go and locate playing audio. In mine, it's in the most frequent section, but you may need to scroll down to the other section. Then press run, and hopefully that's going to go and solve your problem. If it did, please go down below and consider leaving a like. Peace.